address me in a proper manner because
I will show you, Pepe. If you're coming to meet me, address me in a proper way.
it's not my car. I beg, I need help. What's up, everybody? It's good. Welcome back to another freaking vlog. I know I'm not looking, spectacular. However, address me in a proper manner because
I will show you, Pepe. So just use your sense. If you're coming to meet me, address me in a proper way. Okay? Address me in a proper way.
So I'm losing my hair because, as you can see, it's looking dangerous, but I'm hungry and I'm going to eat. So when I'm done, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be starting this vlog. So it's not just Nigeria that is doing this scam work. Like, I don't even think it's up to half. Okay guys, so it's time to wash my hair. I'm done losing it. My hair is long. I just wanted to show you guys. It's just a little bit of show off is allowed, okay? And I'm going to, where am I going to again? Yeah, I'm going to the park. I'm going to the park. And yeah, see you there. My God. Hey, so you see, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Are you a dog or not? So guys, today we are going for another hike. Yay! I think I'm going to include this in my weekend activities. So let's see what this park has for us. Beautiful view.
Veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la.
I'm tired. When I mean tired, tired. I've been braiding since, I don't know, since like, I guess 10 or 9, and it's almost 12. I think I'm doing a pretty good job anyways. Just have like here. The time is, yeah, let me even check. 1:24. So I'm braiding my hair for roughly almost 3 hours, but almost there. So I decided almost there. So guys, I did it. I finished my hair. Like, amazing, right? Because beauty, beauty, beauty. Oh, it took me 3 hours to finish. It's not the best, but it's usable.
Period.
Bring it closer and see. Let's see. I bet we try. To try. Food is the way now because I'm hungry.
Do you realize you are under arrest?
Because I caught just one pigeon. Look, if you want the pigeon, I can catch for you. Don't use idea to tell me this. Just beg me to get you one.
So guys, I'm going to view another house. Whew. I'm breathing because I feel like I'm climbing a hill. I haven't done exercise yet since I came to this country. Okay, well, I've gone hiking, but it's so tiring. I hope this one is nice, and I'll probably, get this apartment. I really hope it's nice. If not, the search continues. In tears. It's a nice neighborhood. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. When I saw this house, I was like, God forbid, what is this?
This is nothing but a mad joke. It can't be possible.
Hey God, even when the landlord was showing me the house, landlord didn't even get confidence. Like, see house, waiting be this. Like, just look at it, rubbish. They need to demolish the house, as in they're not be to renovate or demolish them, because no, it can't be possible. Another disappointment. Another what? Another disappointment. Brethren, I know fit. The house, they remind me of Nigeria. Like, no way. What did I just look at? What did I just see? Therefore, even try renovate the place. Hey, if you see this house, you don't go believe saying that the same Canada I did.
Please tap any of the buttons for extra services. When you are done, select Complete Transaction at the bottom of the screen. Select your method of payment by pressing one of the buttons. To complete your purchase,
They not to say I don't get car. Look at my car.
You want at the end, you go asking this thing.
So I think we did justice to this. I just finished washing my car, you know, looking like a beauty. Please come, show them around. Thank you very much. It's not my car. Oh. I beg, I need help. I need help.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
Are coming out a bit. So my friend and I decided to come to the beach just to chill a bit and relax. And you know, I was just thinking, you know, it's amazing. Like, I'm still surprised that I'm in this country. Like, sometimes it's like unbelievable for me. God, give us money. Oh, good. Hello everyone, today I'm house hunting again. I'm dressed like this because I'm ready to fight if I see another nonsense house. I have my shots to box them because some of them don't have sense.
I'll show you around.
Okay.
It's joined laundry with us.
Oh, okay.
So that's washing machine and dryer.
Yeah.
So this is the kitchen.
Nice. Can I do a video for my roommate?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, lots of people have been doing that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because she's not here to see it, so I need to show her.
Totally.
How it
Yeah,
looks.
you could do a FaceTime.
Oh.
Is she working?
True.
It folds up, so there's 4 chairs in case you have friends
Oh, okay,
over
that's cool.
to have to eat and stuff. Everything stays.
Yeah.
Except for show you the. So this is the shower
Yeah.
room. I mean you know.
See shower now. When no be face me, I face you. God, I beg you.
First bedroom.
Okay.
So
Can I come in with myself?
Totally,
Okay.
yeah, it's fine. Totally
Okay.
fine.
Spacious.
Yeah, both are big bedrooms.
Yeah.
This is that,
Those
but everything else is
stays. Okay.
everything else stays.
Okay.
Yeah. There's just some storage space here.
Yeah.
There's some storage space. They've got boxes and stuff in there, but
Okay.
there is quite a lot of storage. If you had, I don't
Okay,
know,
so they'll take it when they're
suitcases
gone.
or- Say
Yeah.
again?
I mean, like the tenants, they'll take the stuffs when they're
Oh
going.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sort of packed there.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's really sweet. Everything stays except for the record player and the TV. That's there.
Okay, there's theirs.
Yeah, so you can take it.
So this is bedroom 2, and it comes with all the furniture, you know, the bed, the foam, and all of that. Have something for this country now, your mate. Now your mate. Anyways, guys, this is the end of this vlog. Please, a choke. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please just kindly subscribe now, follow, see, you know, turn on the notification so that you would know when I post. Help my life. What you want me to reach 1K subscribers? I'm still struggling. I'm still crawling. Please, thank you. God bless you. Till we meet again.